In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Focusrite iRig HDX to your Mac and then be able to use GarageBand with the plugins on your guitar so you can do a live streams with those plugins in real time. So let's get to it. Let me show you all the cables and gear that you're going to need, and then we're going to plug in and we're going to get the live stream going. All right, let's do this. Here are all the cables and gear you're going to need to make your live stream possible. Let's start off with a pair of headphones to monitor your sound, USB-C cable to connect the Focusrite into your PC, guitar cable for your guitar, USB-C to Lightning port for the iPhone in order to get the signal. This adapter right here, this is going to go out from the two outputs from the line in, and this is what's going to connect so you can get the sound to your iRig. Okay, so iRig is going to take this cable into the iRig and then iRig into the phone to get your live stream going. So let's connect all this and I'll show you how it works. Everything is now connected to the Focusrite interface. My guitar is plugged into the instrument input right there. The gain is at that level, and the monitor, you want to make sure the monitor is up so that the sound coming out from behind and from the headphones is loud enough. By the way, this is very important. See this direct monitor, make sure you turn that off, because otherwise you're going to get an effect where you're getting raw guitar and distorted guitar coming out at the same time, and you don't want that. You just want the regular guitar with the distortion effects. Here is the back. So we have left and right output. Okay, that's going into this adapter right here, which is then going to go into the iRig, which is right there. iRig is going to get plugged into the phone. Okay, and then the USB-C connection for the Focusrite is going into the Mac, the mini Mac right there. All right, so let's look at GarageBand, because that's where we're going to be getting our sound from, which is right there. All right, so here's GarageBand, and a few things to note what my settings are. So to get like the metal tone that I was looking for, I just used this time to shred, okay, which in turn gave me this amplifier right down here. And then if we want to open it up, we're just gonna go to this corner and we're gonna click that. Okay, so there it is. That's the head, the amp head. Okay, and then we're gonna click on the other corner and we're gonna look at the pedals that I have. So these are the pedals that I found that seem to give me the heaviest tone. This is vintage drive pedal, and here are my settings for it right there. Then we have grinder, and these are my settings right here. Then we have a mixer, so I can pan each one of these to left and right. Okay, and there's a balance right there, and then I add a compressor at the end. So that's it for the settings. And on top, in order for you to hear yourself, you want to make sure you click on that, make sure that it's orange is the input monitor. Okay, and then down here, you want to make sure that the input is, see this little coupler, it says 1-2 Scarlett Solo USB. That's where you want. You want to enable the monitoring right there so you can hear yourself, and feedback protection. All right, so let's kick off the stream, and I'm going to show you how all this is going to sound once the effects are going through from the Focusrite into the phone for a live stream. Here are my headphones, so my headphones out so I can monitor myself, and then the guitar going in. The guitar I'll be using is a Schecter guitar. I'm gonna get a proper cable. So right now I have this adapter right here, and it's going into the RCA cable left and right, which is then going into this stereo mini and then out into the guitar input of the iRig. And now, yeah, let's hear what that sounds like. Thank you. For those of you who are wondering, this is the Schecter 7-string. Okay, it's tuned to B, and what I'm playing to is inner decay. So on my headphones, I have inner decay, pretty much that playlist right there. So if you want to go look at my channel, look at inner decay, and that's too many strings. Yeah, that's inner decay. So I have a set list. I play. That's one of my bands. I also play in Blood of the Wolf and Withering Soul, but this is inner decay. We are tuned to B, and yeah, this is we're trying to work out the distortion. A few days ago, I did the distortion with a pedal, which didn't really do that well. So then I figure out how to do it. Oh yeah, man! Merry Christmas to you, Phil. I've known Philip for quite a long time, many years now. If you guys want to check out his channel, he does a lot of videos. He flies airplanes, but not the big planes, just RC controlled airplanes, which is really cool. And I love watching his channel. You guys should check him out as well. I very rarely go live, so yeah, this is a special occasion. I wanted to come on, and so what I'm doing is I'm running GarageBand and sending the effects from GarageBand, the best ones that I could find, into the Focusrite. Focusrite is going into the iRig, which is what you're hearing, directly into the phone, which is pretty cool. It's nice to have